Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to open groups on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to open groups on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to open groups on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to open groups on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Opening groups on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on groups on top right corner. From here you are seeing different groups. Click on any group you want to see. There you go. If you wanted to know how to open groups on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.